Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to make a cool glitch effect in Aseprite. So first we are gonna first what we are gonna do is just make a new Aseprite project or new sprite in Aseprite by width 516 pixel and 256 pixel height. After that, just click T. After that, the window will appear name as insert text, in which your text will be whatever you want, and font size will be 16, and font I suggest you should use Arial in this. After that, click OK and just drag it so you can see it properly. Yeah, here we go. After that, what we are gonna do is we will press shift plus O, and a window will appear name as outline, and here you can see outline color. You can make this red and select both of these sides on the outside, and you can see a red color. After that, again shift plus O, this time a blue color, and select this side, and you can see over here we already have a cool corner written over here. After that select a dark color from your palette and just fill it in the background. After that, just add new frames. I will add 4 new frames, and after that what we have to do is uh, select a part of the text and move it anywhere you want, something like this. After that, fill the points where you can see blank space like this, and when we start the animation you can see a cool glitch animation. After that, we will export it and name it whatever you want, uh, and wherever you want. Don't resize it, and after that export it. And here is the final result. Thank you everyone for watching this, and bye bye.